Guys, this is legit the best 50 quid I spent this summer. It all started with a viral clip of a guy demonstrating the knee seat tool and its incredible usefulness. Intrigued, I checked the comments section to find where I could buy it. Unfortunately, most companies were either in the US or Canada. After much searching, I stumbled upon a company called My Knee Care that ships to the UK. I placed my order for the knee seat, and it arrived in about 7 days, which was not bad at all. This tool is genuinely mind-blowing. You can use it for virtually any kneeling task comfortably, from cleaning to gardening. It's also an incredibly useful tool for handymen. Imagine the relief it would bring to landscapers, plumbers, electricians, tilers, construction workers, and anyone who has to kneel for extended periods. I've already ordered another one from mykneecare.com for my dad. If you think this can help you, check it out, or at least send it to someone whose knees would literally be saved by this tool. Use my coupon code KNEECARE10 to get 10% off. Hurry, this offer lasts only through August.